Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 139 of Building the Delorean from Back to the Future. In this issue, we're fitting another track down and, continuing from that. So we've been basically going to attach it like we did before, elongating this to get to be half of its full length. I've got a couple of other brackets to put aside for later, although I might attach them to there just to keep them. I don't know. We'll figure that out when I build it. Zemeckis on TV. Tales from the Crypt. I vaguely remember that. Yep. You can read all about that if you so desire. If you don't, then don't. Easy enough. Harry Karamidas, co-editor of Back to the Future. Another co-editor. I think there was one last time. Next issue, we're going back to the box again. Some more interesting, tiny stuff. So we'll get that done very soon. More time circuits. But first of all, let's get the track down. Yes, so again, same as we had before. We've got a metal rail, some chairs, fluff, and some screws. And we need to attach said things to the continuing story of the growing track. This is going to go on there next to the existent bit. So we need to put the two chairs on here, like so. The other two, it says keep safe, because let's get 4 screws out from there. It hasn't got nearly enough screws to attach the other one yet anyway, so I won't bother. I shall keep that screw safe. I can almost certainly dig up more, but I won't bother. We're going to be fitting this into here. And these are going to go on the next sleeper along when we get it, almost certainly next time, or not the next issue, but the next pack will contain more again. So yeah, I could attach them to the top because we're obviously going to have to do that at some point, but then I wouldn't have any to attach it to the next sleeper along. So yeah, I shall keep them safe and use them when instructed rather than when I feel like it. So that in there, tighten down on those, and then I should be able to, just like before, slide that in there. There we go, and that sort of lines up. I'd be happier if they were one continuous rail, but yeah, once we get it all together, it's going to be fine, isn't it? So there we go. That is another issue complete, and those are ready to be attached up there next time. So thank you very much for watching. Next time we're back at the box. Got some more stuff to do on there, and then continuing onwards, more builds and other part works as well. So stick around. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.